Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Capyera.com, a site dedicated to everyone's favorite oversized, stoic rodent, the capybara. They've got everything from jumbo plushies to bag charms and hoodies, because clearly, your life isn't complete without wearing a giant hamster on your chest. You might be wondering if this is a legit shop or just another digital mirage. Well, the domain has been active since 2023, which in the world of fly-by-night scams, makes them practically a historical landmark. Their social media game is surprisingly strong, boasting over 50,000 followers on Instagram. It's comforting to know that if you get scammed, at least you're being scammed alongside 50,000 other people. They even provide a physical address and an email for support, suggesting they might actually exist in the physical realm. The products themselves claim to be hypoallergenic, so you can cuddle your plushie without your face inflating like a balloon, which is always a plus. However, things get a bit murky when we look at the reviews. Their own website is glowing with praise, but those testimonials look a little too polished, almost like they were written by the capybaras themselves. Over on Trustpilot, they're sitting at a lukewarm 3.2 stars, which is essentially the room temperature of online ratings. While some fans are over the moon, others are still waiting for packages that apparently took a detour through the Bermuda Triangle. Between late deliveries and ghost-level communication, your mileage may vary. So, what's the final verdict? Capyera.com definitely has the cute factor down, and their long-term presence is a good sign. But the inconsistent delivery history means you should proceed with a healthy dose of skepticism. It's a great place for fun finds. Just make sure you're prepared for a potential customer service adventure. Thanks for hanging out with us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews that tell it like it is.